All right, hey everyone, welcome to another deep dive. You know, we like to keep our fingers on the pulse of all things tech.
Absolutely.
And today, we're gonna be taking a peek into the future.
Ooh.
It is, believe it or not, almost 2025.
I can't believe it.
I know, right? Time flies.
It really does.
But speaking of flying, we've got some gadgets coming out that are gonna make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie.
Oh, I love that.
So we're doing a deep dive on, get this, 10 trending gadgets
Okay, I'm ready.
of 2025. So if you are looking for some gift ideas, or maybe just want to treat yourself, then you have come to the right place.
Let's go.
All right, let's jump right in. First up we have, it does. All right, moving on to something a little more, I don't know, multi-purpose.
Okay, what is it?
A multi-tool pen.
Oh, cool.
9 functions in one.
No way.
We've got a screwdriver, we've got a stylus.
A stylus?
Oh yeah, even a tiny little saw.
What? A saw and a pen?
It's incredible.
That's amazing.
It's like talk about a pocket-sized toolbox.
Seriously.
It's perfect for, you know, those everyday fixes,
I can see that.
or even just showing off to your friends.
It's a real conversation starter, for sure.
Exactly.
It makes you wonder how they fit all that functionality into such a small space.
Yep.
Technology just keeps getting smaller and more powerful.
It really does. It's amazing.